Hi, we're in room 3127 at the Hyatt Ziva, and out our front door is this like whole Baja snack bar, pool bar. And this is our room when you come in. It's a swim up pool room. And we have our little snack bar. And I know this thing opens and there is, oh yeah, sodas and beer and water in there. And ice bucket. And they have 24-hour room service here. Our bathroom. Toilet. Yeah, and this jetted tub that kind of like overlooks our pool view room. There's my husband out there. It's got a rain shower head and a zero entry shower. Our bellhop just brought the luggage in and set it up for us. Really nice room. The bed looks comfy and soft. There is a couch here. Hi. And this is where I guess we're gonna hang out. It's like swim out here, sit in the water. Oh, and look, there's the bar right there and the ocean, if you can see it in the distance. Awesome. Looks like a good start to our vacation.